Tile by Design, 440-541-6881. What we have here is our carpet job. The killer carpet's called Cyclone. We got every closet in here. Up the stairs. All through the hallway. Cut that closet. Bedroom number one. Bedroom number one. Bedroom number one closet. Bedroom number one complete. Door stop is on. Close the door when you're done. Bedroom number two looks good. We rerouted this wire. It was up against the baseboard. Now we hit it in between the pad and the tackless. That way we have our crotch at the very edge to tuck our carpet. Looks a lot better. So bedroom number two complete. Bedroom number two closet complete. No trash. Looking good. Door stop. Door pins. Looking good. Close the door number two. Complete. Hallway complete. Let's look at the metal. Metal's looking good. Go in the master. Master's looking awesome. Master closet complete. Says two closets. Master closet complete. I got some light up there. Complete. All right, I'll shut these lights off. Go downstairs. All done. Everything's looking good. Metal's looking good. Feels good. Kitchen metal. Looking good, feeling good. Okay. All we have left is grout this little foyer, and we'll be done. Rinse them all the way out, Jimbo. He's detailing his lines. Thanks for watching Tile by Design, 440-541-6881.